Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on GoWish application. So let's dive into the video. Without further ado, open your GoWish application from your app drawer. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the menu button appearing at the top right hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, tap on Account. From your profile page, scroll down and get to the Change Password option. Tap the Change button right under Change Password and type in your new password that you'd like to change to. Go ahead and type in a password that is minimum 6 characters long and repeat your new password on the next field again. Finally, tap on the Save button in order to change your password. So that's how easy it is to change your password on your GoWish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.